In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve store SEO on eBay. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your existing eBay listings, optimizing for search engines is crucial. Let's dive into how to make your store more discoverable to potential buyers. To kick things off, one of the most critical aspects of improving your store's SEO is writing keyword-rich titles. Think of your title as the first impression your product makes in search results. It's essential to include relevant keywords that accurately and specifically describe your item. For example, if you're selling an iPhone case, consider using terms like shockproof, silicone, or the specific phone model it fits. This technique helps your item appear in search results when potential buyers search for those terms. Remember, the more precise and descriptive your title, the better your chances of attracting the right audience. Next, let's move on to using all item specifics available to you. Item specifics are the detailed attributes that describe your product, such as brand, model, size, color, and condition. Utilizing these specifics is like giving eBay's search algorithm a clear roadmap to your product, making it easier for customers to find exactly what they need. By filling out these fields completely, you're not only increasing visibility but also conveying professionalism and attention to detail, which buyers appreciate. Now, onto the importance of adding high-quality photos and descriptions. Visuals are incredibly influential in online shopping decisions. This means each photo should be clear, well-lit, and from multiple angles to give buyers a comprehensive view of the product. When it comes to descriptions, be thorough. Include details about the item's features, benefits, and any unique selling points. A well-written description can make a significant difference in trust and credibility, which ultimately can lead to a sale. An often overlooked yet effective strategy is updating your listings regularly. Think of this as keeping your store fresh and engaging. Regular updates signal to eBay's search engine that your store is active, which can lead to better rankings in search results. These updates don't have to be major. Even slight tweaks to titles, descriptions, or photos can keep your listings relevant and maintain buyer interest. In conclusion, improving your store's SEO on eBay involves several thoughtful steps: crafting keyword-rich titles, using all item specifics, adding high-quality photos and descriptions, and updating your listings regularly. By doing so, you're not only enhancing discoverability, but also building a reputation for reliability and professionalism. As you implement these strategies, you'll likely notice an upward trend in visibility and sales over time. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay.